Today we're in the Painted Tree community in McKinney, Texas. Let's check out this available Bloomfield home with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. As we enter through your 8-foot door, you step into the entryway with the view all the way out to the backyard. To the left of the entryway, you have your hall linen closet right next to your full hall bath with a tiled shower and a window letting in natural light. Next to that, you have your front bedroom. Nice large windows out to the front yard with double doors into your closet. Continuing down the hallway, to the left is your understairs storage, wrapping back around, plenty of space in here. Continuing down, on the opposite side, you have your mud space leading into the laundry area with cabinets above, your hookups for your washer and dryer, and the storage space. Right here, you have your 2-car garage with your tankless water heater over here. Going back in, the hall continues to open up to your main living space. Your fireplace over here with the modern mantle and power installed for mounting the TV. The tile continues all the way to the ceiling with windows along the top, letting in natural light over to the game room with the balcony. Continuing into the kitchen space with the open floor plan, you have this central island with overhang for you to sit on stools. This large single basin sink with your trash pull-out on the right and your dishwasher on the left. Over here we have the Frigidaire 4-burner gas stove with an updraft above, plenty of cabinets above and below. Over here you have your microwave and oven. Continuing into the walk-in pantry with plenty of shelving. Next to the pantry is the fridge space with this nook for your coffee bar. And at the end of the kitchen, it opens up into your dining space with a window seat out to the backyard. Continuing across the main living space, you have the primary suite, windows out to the backyard, or windows along the side letting in natural light, and double doors into the primary bathroom. You have a dual sink vanity and a garden tub with tile around and a large privacy window letting in plenty of natural light. And in this shower, you have a sitting bench, tile all the way up to the ceiling. Across from that is the toilet room. And at the end is the primary closet, plenty of shelves and racks all the way around. Back in the hallway, as we go upstairs, the landing has power for you able to plug in your vacuum and large windows letting in natural light. The top opens up to your game room with an overlook into the main living space. To the left of the stairs, it opens up into your media room. And over here, you have all your pre-run wires next to your coax and Ethernet. Back this way, you have an upstairs bedroom, window out to the side. And then here, you have double doors into your closet. Wrapping back around, you have a hall full bath with dual sink vanity and a tub shower with tile all the way up. The bathroom connects into the next upstairs bedroom with windows out to the front yard and double doors into the closet. The bedroom's entry is right across the top of the stairs. And right here is the third upstairs bedroom that's a full suite with windows out to the front yard, double doors closet, and at the bedroom's entry, you have your own linen closet right next to your ensuite bath with a tub shower with tile all the way up and a privacy window letting in natural light. From the dining space, you exit to your covered patio. Plenty of space in the backyard. You have a tree in the corner. If this home and community interests you and you want to know more, reach out and let's make your dream home a reality. The Painted Tree community includes 250 acres of parks and trails inspired by our national parks. Over at the Village Trailhead, you can find this pool with the great sun shelf in multiple levels with these loungers to relax and soak up the sun. Back at the Outpost, they have gathering spaces, a food truck court, outdoor adventure park, playgrounds, and 2 trailheads. They also stock their 20-acre lake with fish. Painted Tree is also in such a great location. It's just 3 miles northwest of historic downtown McKinney and just 30 miles north of Dallas. In the nationwide rankings by John Burns Research and Consulting, Painted Tree was the top-selling master plan community in Dallas-Fort Worth. Additionally, it's in the McKinney Independent School District.